this on my own. Why do you have to leave me? It seems I'm losing something deep inside of me. Hold on to me. Now I see, now I see. Everybody hurts some days. It's okay to be afraid. Everybody hurts, everybody screams, everybody feels this way. That's okay. La da 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 da, that's okay. It feels like nothing really matters anymore when you're gone. I can't breathe, and I know you never meant to make me feel this way. This can't be happening.